Well, everyone, so today we have to do the program which is called asking questions. Means, how will you ask? If I give you a situation, you have to ask questions, and minimum 10 questions are required. I'll note the feedback of yours whether the guys are speaking in a proper way or not. So I need two people. One has to reply, another has to ask question. So I would go for Jahangir and Madhvi ji. Okay? Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. So, Jahangir, you have to ask questions first, okay? And
Okay.
the topic which I am giving to Madhvi ji is like Madhvi ji went to park this morning and she saw that there was a girl seemed very upset sitting under the tree. She seemed to be, crying or sad. So this is what she saw. Now you have to ask what happened there, whether she talked to that girl or not. Means you can ask, n number of questions. And she
Good
has,
evening, sir.
good evening, beta, thoda dheere, and she will answer.
ओके
Fair enough.
सर, वो मेरी पहचान की नहीं है ना?
No, 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 no. कोई
Yes.
कोई पहचान नहीं.
Yes.
Okay.
Evening, sir.
Good evening, guys. Good evening to all. Let's get started, everyone. So I am going to take, jot down whether you are going to ask at least 10 questions or not. I want 10 questions. No matter what you ask, but there should be 10 questions. Okay. So go ahead, Jahangir.
Okay, sir. Only I have to ask, sir, about that girl.
Yes, you have to ask. You have to ask like, did you go to park yesterday? What did you see there? Did you see a girl like this? You can ask question.
Okay, sir.
And whatever she replied, as per her answer, you have to create one more question. This is all.
So, Madhvi ma'am, did you go to park yesterday?
Yes, I went to park yesterday.
With whom did you go to park yesterday?
I am alone. Went to park.
ये
yesterday.
थोड़ा गलत हो गया. यहाँ करेक्ट होगा. I am नहीं होगा. I went to park alone.
I went to park alone.
At what time did you go there?
I went 8:30
I went
a.m.
at 8:30.
I went at 8:30 to the park.
Is it your daily routine?
Yes, it is my daily.
Okay. Did you see any unusual thing over there?
Yes, I saw a girl sitting on the bench, and almost she was crying.
So,
It seems
definitely.
it was crying.
तो अब जैसे हमने
Okay,
seems
so-
एक मिनट में seems बोला है तो वो seemed करना पड़ेगा. Past की तरफ है ना.
Okay, it seemed
हाँ.
to be crying.
हाँ, तो या तो हम ऐसे बोलेंगे कि she seemed to be crying या it seemed that she was crying. दो ऑप्शंस हमारे पास होते हैं. सबसे आसान तो मुझे लगता है कि she seemed to be crying. सबसे
हाँ,
आसान.
it seemed to be crying.
So, did you go to her?
I tried to. Yes, she is unknown to me. That's why I went towards her, and I sat with her.
So, did
Maybe
you ask?
she will.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, बोलिए.
Okay. Did you ask any question? What was the reason behind it? Why she would grieve?
Yes. I wanted to know the reason behind मतलब why she was crying. I wanted to know why she was crying, but she is unknown to me. That's why she didn't answer to me.
How old was she?
She was 25 years old.
Okay. Did she सर इसको कैसे बोलेंगे, वो लग रही थी. Did seem to be. Did she seem to be?
Did she
Did she seem to be younger or like genuine girl or like any
any fraud?
like any fraud girl?
No, she seems to be genuine girl.
Seemed. Second.
Seemed to be genuine girl.
Okay.
Okay. She was really crying, or she was really grieved in a genuine on about the genuine reason, or just like just she was pretending to be a grief.
I think she was nervous.
Hmm.
She was thinking something inside. I
Okay.
do. I didn't know what is the reason, but sure she was in trouble. Maybe.
So, had you decided to help her?
यहाँ had की
Yes,
जगह
I.
did ज़्यादा better है कि did you decide?
Did you?
Okay.
Yes.
Did okay.
Sure. I wanted to help her, but she did not open in
Up.
front
She
of
did not
me.
open up. Yeah.
She did not open because we did not know each other. That's why she didn't open.
Okay. After refusing, she refused your proposal, like in offering your help. Then what did you do? You came back home, or you strolled down over there?
I tried my best, but she did not open. Then
No, ma'am.
after some,
My question was different.
okay, फिर से again ask
Okay.
me.
When you offer your help and your generosity to her, and she refused you to take your help, then what did you do? Did you scroll down, or did you walk over there, or did you come back home?
No, I sat with him
Her.
sometime.
Her.
I sat with her
For
sometime
some time. For some time.
for some time.
Hmm.
Then I started strolling
Strolling. Okay.
Okay, so how much time did you scroll and walking in the park?
about 1 hour.
One, then did you take juice or some kind of liquid after?
Yes, yes, yes. I drank uh, neem juice.
Oh my God. Neem juice. Okay.
It's quite
Quite
bitter.
bitter. Yeah.
Healthy, very healthy,
Healthy.
लेकिन
Healthy.
but
Definitely.
it is very
So,
healthy.
so ma'am, don't you find bitter, like as we
Yes,
find very
yes,
bitter? So
yes.
how do you
Very
drink?
extremely bitter.
She's
So
health
do you love
conscious.
drinking? Do you love drinking neem juice?
No, I don't like neem juice, but I drank that yesterday because neem
Mhm.
juice is healthy for our health,
Hmm.
healthy for our
It's
health.
beneficial for health.
हाँ, beneficial for our health.
It seems that you really take care of yourself. What is the reason behind it?
क्या बोलूँ सर, फिटनेस इज
Yeah. You start your
फिटनेस इज एसेंशियल फॉर
you start
everybody.
you tell about your experience, like you have been doing yoga and all for a long time, so you are interested in this. Can you speak this?
I have been doing yoga for so many years. I'm doing Surya
Very.
Namaskar also. I think exercise is very beneficial for everybody. Everybody should do exercise every day. And this type of juices are very useful for us.
Lovely.
Okay.
If you take empty stomach these juices, it is useful, says Ayurveda.
So do you think that should I try?
Should I?
Should he try
Do you
also
think
this
that
time?
should?
Okay. You must try.
Lovely. Okay, Jahangir, you asked 14 to 15 questions. Okay, you have passed it. It was good. There was no mistake. One place
Thank you,
like
sir.
you put one ing with walking, so I thought it should not have been
Yes.
walking, but it was good. And so did
Thank
Madhvi
you,
ji.
sir.
Like she has
Yes.
answered properly in a better way. No mistakes so far. And
ये
this
था ना सर मिस्टेक,
वो तो ऑन द स्पॉट छोटा मोटा तो चलता है.
Oh,
मेन मिस्टेक ये है कि
oh,
अगर कोई डिडंट को डोंट कर दे, यू नो, तो वो
हाँ
साफ दिख जाता है फिर वो मिस्टेक। कोई छोटा सा टू इधर से उधर कर दे तो उतना नहीं दिखता है। इट वॉज गुड एंड दिस वीडियो इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड, तो आपको खुद ही पता चल जाएगा वॉच करके कि कैसा हुआ। Lovely. Fair enough. Now I want that Madhvi ji will ask questions and answer will be given by Shweta Saxena. Shweta, are you there?
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I'm giving.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm giving you the situation. Madhvi ji has to ask question. The situation is like yesterday she went to any market and she saw that a girl was slapping a boy. This is the thing. I mean, this particular scene was seen by her. So what happened? When did she go to market? What exactly happened over there? There may be so many questions. So Madhvi ji has to ask these questions. Okay, Shweta, you just saw a girl
Yes, sir.
slapping a guy.
Yes.
Okay,
Guy. Okay,
yeah,
sir.
fair enough. So go ahead, Madhvi ji, ask questions.
Shweta, did you go to the market yesterday?
Yeah, I went to the market yesterday.
Why did you go to market yesterday?
I wanted to purchase some vegetables and fruits, so I went there.
Okay. Which vegetables did you buy in the
Uh,
market?
yeah, I bought some green leafy vegetable and carrot for my juice. As you say, juice is good for health, and
Thank you.
and some fruits like banana, papaya, and many more.
Okay. Which fruit do you like most?
Uh, Basically, I like lychee, but it is
Okay.
a seasonable fruit. So, and but I like apple also.
Is lychee available there easily in
No,
your?
no, no, no,
दिल्ली
no.
कहाँ है मुझे मालूम नहीं। Okay.
No,
That's why I'm
I'm
asking.
in
हाँ.
Pune. It is
Okay,
not
okay.
easily available, but it is a seasonable fruit. So we get lychee in June month.
Okay. With whom did you go to market?
I went alone.
Okay. Your does your mother say to go to market?
No.
Did
Uh,
did
did you?
did your
Did
mother did your mother ask you to go to market? It should have been like this.
Did your mother ask to go to market?
No. I live there alone, so my mother is not here. But whenever I feel that vegetables are less in the fridge, so I
I
go to
I
the
go
market.
Okay, now Madhvi ji, talk about that incident. Like
हाँ.
she saw a girl slapping a
Uh,
guy.
Shweta, did you see some crazy बोलूं sir, crazy incident in the market?
Yeah, unusual, yeah, you can say.
हाँ.
Yeah. I went to the on the way I saw a girl who slapped a boy.
Did you see this incident?
Yes, I saw
Then-
from my eyes. So
Okay. Then
I stopped for a while, and I saw whole incident what's was going on there.
Then what do you do?
What did you do?
Okay. What did you do that time?
I stopped there and trying to understand the situation, what was going on there. But as my intuition, I think that boy was abusing that girl.
Okay. Abusing. Okay. Do you know that girl?
No, I don't know, but there was lots of crowd was there. That's why I stopped. I didn't ask anyone what was going on, but I just stopped and watched what's is going to going what was going to
Happen.
happen.
How can you say he was abusing her?
Because she was shouting there that he abused me, he stopped me in middle of the road. That sound came from there, so I got to know that that was going on there.
What is your opinion? Uh, how was that girl? Is
Yeah,
she genuine or fraud?
she is
Was she
genuine. She was sorry. She was
genuine?
Genuine.
genuine because she did right thing. If he abused him, so I do same thing. If
अच्छा अच्छा,
somebody,
यहाँ कंडीशनल शायद होना चाहिए.
yes sir,
जैसे अगर ऐसा अगर कोई मुझे करता तो मैं भी वैसा करती, ऐसा.
yes sir. If he
if
abuses
he had
abuses,
abused me, मतलब कंडीशनल थर्ड लगा.
okay.
If he
If
had
he
abused
had
me,
abused me,
I would have done the same.
I would have done same. Okay, sir. I would have done same.
Shweta, maybe that boy proposed to her.
Maybe, ma'am. Maybe you are right. But I understood that that she abused
He abused. Okay.
her. He abused her.
ठीक है, फाइन फाइन, लवली, गुड, नो प्रॉब्लम. बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने किया, वेरी. और जिनका अच्छा हो रहा है मतलब वो न्यूज़ रिपोर्टिंग भैया करेंगे. ठीक है.
Thank you, sir.
Have you told that today rapid fire test is there?
थोड़ा सा मेरे को टाइम दो ना बेटा. रैपिड फायर विल आल्सो टेक प्लेस. ओके, लिटिल बिट वेट. फाइन. सो नाउ श्वेता इज गोइंग टू आस्क क्वेश्चन टू अजीत. ओके श्वेता.
Sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
And I'm giving Ajit, I'm giving you a topic. The topic is, yesterday you went to park for like having a stroll, and you saw that a girl was also coming on the same track, and she was like she slipped and she was about to fall down. समझ पा रहे हैं क्या करो? वो
Yes.
स्लिप हो गई और वो गिरने ही वाली थी. तो आपने क्या किया? बचाया या वो गिर ही गई? जो भी हुआ वो सवाल श्वेता पूछेंगे और आपको जवाब देना है. ओके.
Yes. Hello, Jeet sir. I want to ask some question. Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes. At what time does you get up?
अब ये तो गलत हो गया.
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, I thought so.
ये जल्दीबाजी में हो गया ऐसा. एक्चुअली अब दो सवाल बनते हैं कि आप कितने बजे उठते हो या कितने बजे उठे. तो पहले आप
Yes,
मुझे,
sir.
अगर उठे तो फिर डिड. एट व्हाट टाइम
Sir,
डिड यू गेट अप?
regular time. I'm asking
तो डू
regular
लगा
routine.
दीजिए, डू लगा दीजिए.
Do.
एट व्हाट टाइम
At
डू
what
यू
time
गेट अप?
do you get up?
डू
Yes,
यू
sir.
यूजुअली गेट अप?
I get up early morning at 6 a.m.
6 ठीक.
Okay. Then what would you do?
वहाँ भी डू लगा दो. व्हाट डू यू डू? क्या करते हो आप?
What do you do?
After that, I took my bath and after that
टुक नहीं आएगा जी. टेक सब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. डेली रूटीन चल रही है.
हाँ.
I take fresh. After that
गेट फ्रेश.
I get fresh. After that
एस क्यों लगा रहे हैं आप अजीत? आई गेट फ्रेश. गेट से नहीं
I
होगा.
get fresh. Yes, sir. I get fresh. After that I take my breakfast. After that I go to field
ओके,
and
बस यही तक. उनको सवाल आगे, अगला सवाल उनका.
Okay. Is there any park near your apartment?
no, actually I'm living in village nowadays last 2 years. So
अजीत सच्चाई नहीं बतानी है, फेक कहानी की तरफ जाना है. आखिर वो हादसा पार्क में हुआ तो कहीं ना
Yeah,
कहीं
yeah.
कनेक्ट करना है. तो
Yes,
मान लीजिए
I
ना
got
यार.
it, sir. Yes, good, sir. Yes, one park over there. I went sometimes.
अच्छा, समटाइम्स आई गो होगा, फिर वेंट नहीं, मैं जाता
Some-
हूँ, कभी कभी जाता हूँ.
Yes,
I go to park sometimes.
I go to park sometimes.
Okay. Have you seen any usual situation there which you want to write on your in your diary?
अच्छा, यहाँ अब ये जो सवाल है, इससे ऐसा हो जाएगा, अगर हम हैव लगाते हैं तो ऐसा लगेगा कि मतलब कुछ ऐसा तुमने
अभी,
देखा है अब
right.
तक, ऐसा लगेगा. अगर मुझे रिसेंटली पूछना है, कल परसों नरसों, तो वो डिड ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
Did you have did you see any
Unusual thing yesterday.
unusual thing yesterday?
Yes, actually, yesterday I went to park and I saw one girl towards coming.
नहीं, उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया. वन गर्ल वाज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स मी.
What?
Me.
One girl was coming towards me, and I saw she was falling down.
She was about to fall.
अबाउट टू, गिरने वाली थी. शी वाज अबाउट टू फॉल डाउन.
She,
और
she about to fall down.
फॉल डाउन, फॉल डाउन.
Fall down.
Okay. Then what did you do?
Yes, I tried to.
होल्ड हर, होल्ड हर. ट्राइड, आई ट्राइड टू
I
होल्ड.
tried to hold her, but I didn't.
I couldn't. Yeah, I failed.
I felt,
Okay.
but I couldn't. नहीं कर सका
Okay. Then who helped her?
because nobody over there.
Nobody was over there. Nobody was.
Nobody was there.
Hmm.
So she was fell down.
मतलब गिर ही गई. She fell down. Was नहीं आएगा. She fell down.
Did
fell down.
she get hurt?
No. She.
She was the daughter
She
of
does not-
Superman, I think. Huh?
Wonder Girl.
Really.
She doesn't hurt.
Didn't get hurt. Huh?
Didn't hurt.
Didn't
She
get hurt.
didn't get hurt.
Okay. Okay. Then you did you go there and asked her is any help required?
Yeah, I went there and I asked you, are you okay? Yeah, are you okay? Did you any require doctor?
Do you
Do you any?
do you require? Yeah. Do
Yeah, do
you
you require any?
any
hospital,
medical aid?
any medical help? She didn't.
She said no. Huh? She said no.
Yeah,
I don't.
she said no.
Did you know? Did you know her?
No, she was a unknown girl, and I asked her name. He told me name.
Okay.
Yeah,
Did you ask her name?
yeah. I asked her. I told she. That girl name was Anjali.
Okay. Okay. Did you take her number?
Yeah, try to get number, but sometime later her brother
Came.
came and she was
He
going with brother.
Do you
कैसे?
think that that was
She was
bad
going with
ending?
brother.
Do you think that was bad ending for you?
No, because I have already
Because
girlfriend.
you was about to fail to get her number.
Yeah.
अजीत कह रहे हैं कि मेरी पहले से गर्लफ्रेंड है.
Okay. Okay.
Lovely.
Now the people are multi-talented, so you can handle two or three girlfriends.
Yes, yes, yes. Really.
Yeah, thank
And
you,
if
sir.
Ajit, I'm telling you, if you had really held her hand, then definitely she would have become at least something to you, like maybe the friend to you.
Yes, sir, yes.
You
sir.
should have done that. Like, how did you let her fall, buddy? It was not good.
So because I am so far, so that's why I didn't reach.
Yeah, I was far. I was far.
I was far.
देखिए, श्वेता का तो ठीक था, सारे सवाल ओके थे, बट अजीत के जवाब में, ये रिकॉर्डिंग आप सुन ही लेंगे,
Yes,
अभी
sir.
वो ट्रैफिक है, वो ट्रैफिक जाम जा नहीं रहा है, मतलब
सर
एकदम
बिकॉज मैं सर
मक्खन नहीं हो
टाइम
रहा।
नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ सर, एक सो इसलिए सर।
थोड़ा बहुत ग्रामर एरर भी हो रहा था, वो आप रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना। अब यहाँ
Yes,
से
sir.
इम्प्रूवमेंट अगर होता है, हमारे पास ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं, आपको पता है 2 महीने,
Yes,
अगर
sir,
इम्प्रूवमेंट
yes,
हो जाता है तब आप कह सकते हैं कि हाँ कुछ हुआ है। अगर सेम रहता है मतलब फिर मैं भी फेल हो गया और आप भी फेल हो गए, हम दोनों ही फेल हो जाएंगे।